Hey guys, Airsoft here. I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I thought I'd go ahead and make this. I don't know when this is going to take effect, but it might actually do it after this video, but I am heavily considering monetizing my videos again. All my videos so far have not been monetized, but sad to say, because of the way Patreon is, and the fact that apparently no one wants to help support us on Patreon, so that's actually kind of a bummer. That does not mean we're removing Patreon. But I am not going to try and monetize my past videos. What I'm going to do, however, is I'm going to talk with Apex. And what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to monetize, either I or him are probably going to monetize our videos so we can actually try and get some revenue from it, for the channel, of course. But I hate that I have to do this now because I have been trying my best not to monetize my videos. I've been trying my damnedest not to, but sad to say, I have to. I have to monetize my videos now in order to even try and break even on what I do for the content. So, yeah. I am sorry that I have to monetize my videos now, but what can you do? Anyway, thank you all for watching. As always, I've been Airsoft Owl. I'm going to try and make newer videos, but thankfully enough, I've got some pre-record videos, so that way, there's that, but, yeah, it's how it is. It's how it is.